During a routine clean-up drive today, officials from the Dal Lake Conservation and Management Authority discovered remnants of a Pakistani Fata-1 series rocket, the very same type rocket that Pakistan Army claimed was used to destroy the Srinagar Airbase. Strikingly, the remains were found deep inside a jungle, far away from any military installation. BSF troops shot down a Pakistani drone in the RS Pura sector. The Indian Army's Southwestern Command carried out a large-scale integrated firepower exercise codenamed Amogh Fury at the Mahajan field firing ranges in Rajasthan. The navies of India and Greece conducted the first bilateral maritime exercise in the Mediterranean Sea near Turkish waters yesterday. The CRPF has awarded a 17 crore rupees contract to India-UAE joint venture firm INCOMM-Caracal for the supply of 200 CSR 338 sniper rifles and 20,000 rounds of ammunition. After Saudi Arabia and Pakistan announced a mutual defense pact, India has urged Saudi Arabia to remain mindful of mutual interests and sensitivities. NSA Ajit Doval and his Canadian counterpart held talks on counter-terrorism crime and intelligence cooperation. Indian Air Force officials inspected the C-295 final assembly line in Gujarat to review the progress of the program, where the first aircraft has entered assembly, with rollout planned in September 2026. Mahindra Armado light specialist vehicle has been equipped with hard kill and soft kill anti-drone weapon, and the capability to launch and recover a drone. The French defense industry is pitching the 110 km range next-generation MICA-NG air-to-air missile for 36 Indian Rafale fighter jets, which offers limited value for India, as the 110 km range Astra Mk2 and 160 km range Astra Mk2 integration across Rafale Su-30 and Tejas fleets would ensure standardization, cost efficiency and self-reliance. During the recent visit of German Defense Minister, the German delegation pitched the Airbus A400M Atlas to the Indian Air Force under India's $10 billion medium transport aircraft program, and even floated export opportunities to Asia and Africa. Godrej Aerospace has successfully delivered the first serially produced dry Kaveri engine designated D1, which marks the first ever serially produced turbofan engine in India's history. The rollout not only secures propulsion for Gatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle, but also places India among the select few nations with indigenous jet engine capability. HAL Chief has said that the first flight of the Tejas MK2 is slated for early 2027, and full production is targeted for 2030. If the Indian Air Force approves, enabling early induction similar to the Tejas Mk1A strategy, HAL will then begin limited series production from 2028, ahead of certification by end of 2030. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited has formed a committee to shortlist up to 2 partners for the AMCA bid, and the evaluation will cover technology capability, financial strength and prior aerospace experience. HAL chairman also admitted that the expression of interest issued by the Aeronautical Development Agency includes a financial clause that effectively disadvantages Hindustan Aeronautics, which has pushed HAL to seek private sector partners to strengthen its consortium bid for the AMCA program, which means HAL will not apply alone for the AMCA program, but instead form a partnership with up to 2 private companies. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.